Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce Carré, the famous theater in Amsterdam. This is the way we say Carré. Carré. There is a light emphasis on the last syllable. Carré. 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 The full official name is Koninklijk Theater Carré or Royal Theatre Carré. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!